The earth brought forth vegetation, a testament to the incredible power of nature. And let's be honest, it's way better than anything we could ever cook up in a lab. Plants yielding seed according to their kinds, each one unique and vital to the ecosystem. It's like nature's version of a potluck dinner, and trees bearing fruit in which is their seed, each according to its kind, providing sustenance and beauty. Talk about a self-sustaining snack machine, and God saw that it was good. Genesis chapter 1, verse 12. Even the divine approves of this all-you-can-eat buffet. To plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. Audrey Hepburn. Plus, it's a great excuse to play in the dirt. These words remind us of the beauty and abundance found in nature, a source of endless inspiration and nourishment. And let's not forget, free groceries. As we cultivate our gardens, we tap into this ancient wisdom, connecting with the earth and its cycles. It's like having a conversation with Mother Nature, but without the awkward small talk. Nurturing life and reaping the rewards of our efforts, we find joy and fulfillment in the simple act of gardening. Plus, you get to brag about your green thumb. Gardens also bring communities together, creating spaces for connection and shared experiences. And let's face it, who doesn't love a good garden party? In every sunrise and every new sprout, we witness the miracle of life, a reminder of nature's resilience and generosity. It's like watching a daily episode of Nature's Got Talent. Organic gardening goes beyond simply growing food. It's about creating a healthy and sustainable ecosystem in our backyards. By avoiding synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, we protect ourselves, our loved ones, and the environment. Organic gardening is a journey of learning and connection. It's about understanding the delicate balance of nature and working in harmony with it. The benefits are numerous: tastier, more nutritious food, increased biodiversity, and a deeper appreciation for the natural world. Protecting our gardens from pests doesn't require harsh chemicals. Nature provides a wealth of effective and eco-friendly solutions. One approach is to use natural repellents like garlic spray or neem oil, which deter pests with their strong scents. Another option is to apply diatomaceous earth, a powdery substance that dehydrates insects, effectively eliminating them without harming beneficial creatures. Section 4. Inviting nature's allies. In this section, we will explore the fascinating world of beneficial insects and animals that can transform your garden into a thriving ecosystem. One of the most rewarding aspects of organic gardening is attracting beneficial insects and animals to our gardens. These allies not only help in maintaining the ecological balance, but also enhance the beauty and productivity of our gardens. These helpful creatures act as natural pest control, keeping unwanted populations in check. By reducing the need for chemical pesticides, they help us grow healthier and more sustainable gardens. Ladybugs, for instance, are voracious predators of aphids, which are common pests that can damage a wide variety of plants. A single ladybug can eat up to 50 aphids a day, making them incredibly effective. While lacewings feast on mites and other soft-bodied insects, their larvae are known as aphid lions due to their ferocious appetite for aphids. They can consume hundreds of pests during their development. We can attract these beneficial insects by planting a variety of flowering plants that provide them with nectar and pollen. Flowers like marigolds, daisies, and sunflowers are particularly attractive to these insects. Creating inviting habitats, such as a small pond or a pile of logs, can also attract frogs and toads. These amphibians are excellent at controlling slugs and other garden pests, providing another layer of natural pest control. Frogs and toads are not only beneficial for pest control, but also add to the biodiversity of your garden. By providing them with a suitable habitat, you encourage a healthy and balanced ecosystem. Section 5. A gift to the earth. In this chapter, we explore the profound impact of organic gardening on our environment and our lives. By choosing organic gardening practices, we contribute to a healthier planet. These practices help reduce the use of harmful chemicals and pesticides, ensuring that our soil remains fertile and our water sources stay clean. We minimize our environmental impact and protect our precious natural resources. Using rainwater collection systems and composting organic waste are just a few ways we can make a significant difference. Organic gardening promotes biodiversity, enriching the soil and supporting a wider range of plant and animal life. Beneficial insects like ladybugs and bees thrive in these environments, helping to naturally control pests and pollinate plants. It's a rewarding and sustainable way to provide for ourselves and future generations, leaving a legacy of health and abundance. Teaching children the value of growing their own food instills a sense of responsibility and connection to the earth. Every seed we plant, every natural remedy we use, is a step towards a greener and more harmonious world. By embracing organic gardening, we take active steps to nurture our planet, ensuring it remains vibrant and life-sustaining for years to come.